All right, guys, today I'm going to show you one of my best tips. It's about this steamer right here and how it changes everything. These are your vegetables today. They're not going to come from the garden. You can buy these at Sam's, Costco, or wherever. Shrimp, scallops. You don't have to use these either. These are extras. Cod loin, great source of protein, very light white fish. These are from the garden. I just got to have something from the garden. And rice. We'll do the rice later. We're going to weigh our rice. We're going to weigh our carbohydrates. First, I'll turn this on. It's been on just for a minute. This is going to take 10 minutes. I'm going 2 cod loins. Put your meat on the bottom. Put your fish and meat on the bottom. It needs a little bit longer to cook. I'm going to do a couple of these. I'm going to do a serving. I think a serving is 6 servings, 4 ounces. Do 2 of those. Get some of these Mongo shrimp. 1 serving of these, about 6 shrimp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Do a few of these right here. Green beans. I love green beans. You know I love me some green beans, like a green bean popsicle. That wasn't very good. Hey, a little tip, when you open this thing, kind of step away from it because a big puff of steam comes up. But I want y'all to look in here as best you can. And this, look at that. Cod's ready. It's flaky. Those shrimp are perfect. Now I'm going to put it on a plate and show y'all the gravy. Hey guys, now we're going to weigh up our rice. This is jasmine rice cooking. It's already been cooked. We're going to zero our scale. It's very important to weigh your carbohydrates because everybody overestimates and underestimates what they can have. You're going to freak out when you see how much rice I can have for lunch. 129, we're going 200 grams. 81. That is a ton of rice. It's close enough. 203, good enough. All right, so we're gonna set our 200 grams of rice right down here. We're gonna take these awesome vegetable. What I like to do is get most of the vegetables around the edge. Put your fish on top. And all your shrimp, most of your shrimp work where you can put the gravy on the shrimp and the fish. Oh, slippery little sucker. All right. So, there's our fish and everything. So now that we got our fish exposed at the top, we're gonna have coconut shrimp and cod. This is the gravy. I'm using the can to show you how much I can have. So it's just important to weigh your food, guys. I can't say it enough. You want to weigh your food because everybody overeats and they don't know it. So, coconut milk. I think I'm gonna, oh man, it's gonna be good. This stuff is thick and awesome. How much do I have? 23. Oh, I'm going to 40. It's gonna be like a shrimp coconut soup. That's pretty good. 41. That, my friends, is an awesome meal for anybody, and just enjoy it. If you liked it, let me know. Don't forget, subscribe and hit the bell.